Alright, so tell them what we're doing.
Okay, we are here gathered together to sadly celebrate. We're putting in a faucet, and this is the faucet. And what we're doing is we are putting the plumber's putty on the bottom of this. And you know why? You could use silicone, but it doesn't work as good as the plumber's putty. Some say plumber's putty and others say you can use a caulking, but the caulking has to be silicone. So what we're doing, but you got to have the right kind. See that? The plumber's putty, that one that doesn't stain free. See that? Other plumber putties can stain your metal if you don't use the right one. You understand? Does that make sense to you? If you have any questions or concerns, feel free to call or leave your comments down below. So what we're going to do, we're going to need some more plumber's putty. We're going to go around it and like that. And then, only because, see how it's already kind of sticky, which is good. And I like it because water does not penetrate, as opposed to the silicone. Okay, so we're making kind of like a little flat patty cake. See that? We're doing it like that. And then we're going to put a piece in here, right? Just like that. You say, well, why do you got to do all that? Well, it's because I'm the plumber and the responsibility is on me, so I know what it's going to take to make it work. So here I go. That. So take all this, flatten it out as much as I can. See how that is? Right there, nice and flat. And you can take the extra and you could use that somewhere else. See that? Look at that. How pretty is that? See that? Okay, enough of this. So then we take it, put it here. So we got it flattened out. Alright, we know this part's going to go in the back. Take that plumber's putty, put it back there. We'll take this and smash it there. Okay. So we're going to put that inside. Okay. Now, we're going to put the new faucet on top. Here's the new faucet right here. This has these little ridges. See that? So, I'm going to put the faucet in. We're going to make sure that's in there. And then we're going to press. See that? Yeah. Now we just take all this stuff, remove that, and there is your faucet. Okay. Now there's these nuts. They go on the bottom, and they screw onto the bottom of the faucet, and that's it. That's your faucet installation. Then you connect the supply lines, which are right there. Alright, thank you for watching. I appreciate it. Subscribe. Thank you. You smell good, plumber.